Hey y'all, today I'm gonna teach you some key techniques to piping out of a piping bag. One thing that stays consistent through any piping tip that you use is how you hold your bag. I always wanna keep my top of my bag nice and tight and twisted, always holding with my thumb, keeping it tied. All right, starting with my Sunny 1M tip, I'm gonna show you just how to make a simple rosette. So I'm gonna start in the middle, holding pressure, moving out, going all the way around, leaving pressure out from my hand, and just keep pulling. And you make the perfect rosette. Something that is unique about piping is it's all what you like. So playing with it and having fun is something that's key to figuring out what you like and what you can do. Another tip is just a little polka dot, pushing down, losing pressure, pulling up. Also, for something like a border on a cake, you can start at the base, squeezing and doing a rosette sideways and going all the way around your cake, connecting and hitting the bottom of the cake, or what would be the cake, every time, and starting again is something that you can do all the way around your cake. Another technique would be making little shells, which would be pushing pressure and pulling down. And this could go all the way across your cake. Another fun technique would be just using a Wilton 2A tip, which is just a perfect circle. And you can do any of these same things with this tip too. So I can start with polka dots, pushing down, loosening and pulling up. And then using an American buttercream, you can go back and just tap the top, going around. You can also do our shells, starting at the bottom, pushing pressure and pulling down. You can also make the top of a cupcake, starting pressure, and to get straighter lines without putting lines in it, coming off of the paper. So for example, to make an H, I'll come off the paper, coming back down and tapping it on to what would be the cake, and doing the exact same thing. Connecting, going down, and connecting again. And last but definitely not least, I'm gonna show you how you can use a Wilton 125 tip to make a little flower. Starting on my board or cake, I'm gonna squeeze pressure and turn out, and then pull in. Turning out and pulling in. And then you get a cute little flower. Cute. All right, y'all, there are some of my favorite tips to help you get your piping game on point.